Riwruok jopuonjre mag mbalariany e kaunti ma Taita Taveta owacho ni gibiro dhi nyime gi chenro mar jiwo jowetegi mondo ondikre kaka jogo ombulu kaka yor ikruok ne yiero maduong' ma higa manyien. Kotelnegi kod jatend jopuonjre e kaunti no Liz Wakesho, giwacho ni chenro mar ndikruok no chiwo thuolo ne rowere pachoka puonjore e wi yore mag telo kendo biro miyogi thuolo mar yiero jotelo mowinjore. Magi timore ka koro imero jiw rowere bende mondo riwre kod duond buche mopogore opogore machwalo dongruok kokadho e duond buchego.
I believe it makes us as youth know that it's time for us to take action, time for us as leaders to know that we are the leaders of today and not of tomorrow. And with this, I believe that I urge my fellow youths that it is key for us to go register as voters. As today also we've had the initiative to Kokadi here, where we are making sure all the youths that are coming here are registered as voters, and those that are not have taken up their votes.
So this is not just a beginning or a continuation of anything. It is a history we are writing, and a history that we will keep writing as young people, where wajukuu wetu pia wakija tutakuwa proud kwamba sisi wakati wetu tulibadilisha system ambayo labda ilikuwa inanyanyasa vijana, labda ilikuwa haisaidii vijana in one way or the other. All those things that we see are not right for us, we are going to remove them. And
mine is to encourage them that you need to think about how to get into the political parties, because that is where policies originate from. I mean, for example, as we go into the next election, you would find that the manifestos, of the things that are going to affect youth